What's up, guys? What we have today?
Okay, so I started doing a mix. Like I found some tones that I liked. I did like an initial balance, and then I got stuck, like always, because I'm listening, I'm comparing it to the reference. It sounds completely different. I don't know where to go from here, what the next step would be.
Basically, I see your mix. My first impression, it's too quiet. I need to make my mix louder.
So you're not doing the reference quieter?
No, because at the end, my mix will be louder. So I'm doing my mix as loud as the references.
Now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down. These visions get lost in your head. Nowhere to be found. Lost the meaning of a stay. Learn to live another day.
The drum tones that I chose for my mix, they're not working here.
Yeah, before I put EQ or compression, I really want to be sure that I really like the source tone. It must be nice, smooth, you know what I mean. It's a ballad song. So I suggest simply change the drums.
Now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down.
For me, it fits very nice.
Yeah.
Kick and snare are like in tune with the guitars. I slightly cut some attack from kick and snare. In the Hertz drums, we have like option here to cut the attack. If you're using like different drums, there is a, like, for example, transient designer.
So really pay attention to how the attack works in the context of the mix, right?
Yes.
Okay.
And really, guys, focus on the source. You need to really like from beginning. What's now?
Lost the meaning of a stay. Learn to now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down.
It lacks clarity. So my solution would be to grab an EQ and add the highs on everything.
We can add the high frequencies, but still we will have that problem in the mid frequencies. You still will have it in your mix.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So before we add something, let's clear our mix. I usually start from the most important like instruments, yes. Let's focus on the vocal. Let's make it clearer. I cut some more 400 Hertz, and then after all those stuff, I add some clarity, and then some kind of harmonics and additional effects like chorus and two different reverbs. Let's go to the bass guitar. I cut some 170 Hertz, then acoustic guitar. I cut a bit more in the around 200 Hertz, and I cut some like resonance stuff. After that, compression. Then again, I cut some high frequencies and mid-range. Distorted guitars, so again, clean up some mid-range and resonance frequencies and keys.
So you took out a lot, yeah?
Yeah, because, you know, for me, the keys in that song, they should add some kind of, I don't know,
Air, yeah?
a wider image, you know. So let's listen to what we've got right now.
Now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down. These visions get lost in your head.
Yeah, sounds a lot cleaner. It's more space, more presence. I'm liking it.
Mostly we didn't add, except the vocals, some kind of high frequencies. We just simply removed from the mid-range.
Yeah, mostly we were removing,
Yes.
not boosting, right?
And now I think it's a good time to go to the mastering chain and add some kind of compression to it. It's more like a glue, keeping all those instruments together.
Is it doing a lot?
Actually, no, you know, just like 1-2 dB gain reduction. I remove some kind of, again, 600 Hertz, and I add some air, more, a bit more in the side, a bit less in the mid. And let's listen how it sounds.
Now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down. Now rivers run slower. The wind's gone down.
These visions get lost in your head.
Of course, it's a matter of taste, yes,
Yeah.
but for sure it sounds clearer, yes. And it's supposed to sound more nice on the, I don't know, in the cars, boombox, in the totally different sources. So basically, usually what I'm doing, I make my mix as loud as the references. Then I'm trying to find on each instrument the frequencies that annoying me. After each instrument, like correction, I make always rebalance. Always. This is very, very important. And then just simply go on the master chain, add some like glue, and that's all. It's not only one mistake that we are doing during our mixes. To be honest, there is a lot of different stuff. Check out my new course, Most Common Mixing Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. In this course, I collected typical mixing mistakes and show you practical solutions. Let us know if you are doing in similar way.
And give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.
See you.